Hey folks, this is Will Long with Freedom Homes of Tulsa. We're down here on the traffic circle at Admiral and Mingo, and I wanted to feature another house for you real quick this morning. This is an 18 wide, and it is a beautiful home. We've done it in the smart panel. It's an 18 by 76. It is huge, 1,368 square feet, and it is beautiful. We include metal skirting with it, which will look beautiful on this house. Do a little darker color to offset that. It's gonna be beautiful. It'll last you for years to come as well. So we wanted to run in here real quick and just do a quick tour for you because this is our #1 seller. And the reason this is our #1 seller, a lot of people don't know this, but it's got as much square footage as a double wide, but it's just one floor coming from the factory, one floor going to your site, one floor setting on your site, but as much square foot as a double wide. So handling these is so much less expensive than a multi-section. Your value per square foot goes up enormously, and easier for you to move if you ever want to sell it in the future as well, not near the cost. But that's probably why it's one of the reasons, but it's also beautiful. So I want to go through here real quick and show you this because they've packaged this house. We don't have a lot of options on ordering this house. They've packaged it to get the pricing. Red tag sale coming in, but they packaged it with your entertainment center built in, ceiling beams, ceiling fans, transom windows, sliding glass doors, farm sink, upgraded faucet, glamour bath, which we'll get to and I'll show you in there. But one of the main things I want to show you, Duracraft. We are trying to let everybody know about these Duracraft cabinets because they are exclusive to our company. And the Duracraft cabinets are a vinyl wrap. They're not a paper wrap that looks like wood. So these are water resistant cabinets. And not only are your cabinets water resistant, so is all your trim moldings, all your door moldings, all your moldings in your house are water resistant as well. And it was a real game changer in our industry for years, and still people are using paper wrapped particle board cabinets, and these are a game changer. They are exclusive to us, and if you're not getting Duracraft, you better be getting solid wood. There's no other options besides solid wood and Duracraft. Do not buy a house with a paper cabinet if you can keep from it. But these are 42-inch cabinets, which with an 8-foot residential ceiling all the way throughout, these 42-inch cabinets are just magnanimous. They just look beautiful in here. And that's one of the things, not having a vaulted ceiling. Some of these have vaulted ceilings in this area, not in the bedrooms, those kind of deals. That's just wasted space to air condition. People prefer a residential look, the 8-foot residential flats overall. But I just want to give you a real good look at this. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It is an energy smart home. I showed you some of the features, including the sink, but I also wanted to show you pantry. It's got a pantry, and it also has separate utility room. So door closed, off, by itself. Looking back at your kitchen and your nice thing too is your dining area has a separate area over here. That's a really large table with a full bench. And by the way, we can include furniture packages as well. So that's something else you'll want to ask about. Nice hutch, and the storage is just amazing in this house. You've got cabinets everywhere in this house, so you'll never run out of storage. So we're going to come back in here into our master. Oh, I didn't mention the Energy Star package. So instead of having one of those little inexpensive little thermostats, these are programmable, and they come with your sealed ductwork, programmable thermostat, all your LED light bulbs, your upgraded furnace, upgraded hot water heater, huge insulation package in this. This is an R33 and an R22 in your floors. It's a blown up insulation package with your thermal window. Excuse me, I got a phone call. With your thermal windows, so it is loaded down. So we're going to swing back in here to your and of course this master bedroom being 18-foot wide. I mean, go measure your bedrooms now, see if you got 18 feet. Just huge, and of course huge master closet, same, goes all the way back in there. Huge master closet, and then of course what everybody loves, transom light in your master bath, bringing natural light in, storage in your master bath, your Roman tub, giving you plenty of room, your decorative, it's got your wood trim in here in your master bath, your rock and roll lights, storage, and then of course your walk-in showers in here as well. So got your glamour bath, got your Energy Smart package, your upgraded insulation, your PEX plumbing, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 18 wide. You're saving money on moving costs. You've got all the added features of the thermal windows, the Duracraft cabinets, the transom windows, the beams, the entertainment centers, steel front door with peephole. And then of course your hall is wide, and of course being an 18 wide, your guest bedrooms are large. So, and your guest bath, turn on some light back here. And then your guest bath, standard bath. And then coming into your last bedroom, which is huge as well. So we wanted to feature this for you. It's an 18'x76. It's on our red tag sale. Go to our website, freedomhomesofTulsa.com. Check us out on Facebook, Freedom Homes, or come on down, take a look, and take advantage of the red tag sale. Thank you, folks.